Hi party people. We got this Dwarf Alberta Spruce like at the beginning of the summer and we have yet to pot it. So I've been having to water it like every other day so it stays in good shape. But finally we got a cute little pot. So we're gonna pop it in here, which is much bigger. It has like a little plastic thing. And then it sits inside this wooden pot, which is perfect. Also I wanted to say, Dwarf Albertas, they only grow 2 to 4 inches a year, so they're good to have in pots. Very slow growing. And this one was on sale, 35 bucks. I was literally just at Home Depot and I saw ones for probably a third of the size. They were 60 bucks. So talk about a steal. All right, first we're gonna mix some potting soil. We're gonna make a like well-draining, chunky soil. So I got some Kellogg's potting mix. And then we're gonna mix in some orchid bark, which really I would have just gotten mulch, much cheaper option. But I didn't feel like carrying a big bag of mulch, honestly. So I just got this. So first we're gonna make the mix. I'm gonna just put it right in here. Because this is what we keep our indoor potting mix in, or potted potting mix, if that makes sense. This is my first time getting this Kellogg's soil blend and I like it. It's pretty chunky. Like look, could you tell the quality? It's too hot to be wearing these. All right, now we're gonna put in our orchid bark, which this bag was 7 bucks. It's literally just mulch. Like if you get pine bark mulch, like nuggets, Home Depot has them, Petit's has them, Lowe's has them. They come in like a bigger bag for like probably 5 bucks. So just better deal. But we needed it. So we're gonna just give this a little mix. But before I get my hands too dirty, actually, I'm going to put some drainage holes in the bottom of here. So I'm gonna just take our drill. So that it doesn't get all waterlogged. So it could drain nicely. Because a lot of times when your plants are dying, it's probably because you don't have the right soil and they're not draining well. So, 2 very important things. I'm gonna do 2 more. All right, so that's all good. And then I also got these. I thought the pot was smaller. I would try to get 2 different sizes to remember. Because then this will sit in the bottom of here because this is a wooden pot and I don't want it to like rot out. So I really need to get a bigger one, but just for the idea of what I'm doing, I'll put that in there and then this will go here. So when those drainage holes drip, it will go into that tray instead of onto the bottom of here, because this will rot out rather quick. All right. Let me just mix up the soil a bit and then we'll get it planted. Okay, ooh, look at that fresh manicure. All right, let's get the tree potted up. So this is the soil consistency, just so you can kind of see. You want it chunky, but you don't want to go too chunky or it will drain too fast. Also, they like acidic soil, so peat moss in the mixture is a bonus. Like you want that. Dude, did you just see my sweat drip into the pot? Or into the tote? Okay. We'll put that there for a better visual. All right, and then pop this little cutie out of here. Wow, it's really in there. Damn. All right, there we go. I'm gonna pull a little bit back because it was too high. Okay, and then you want to break up the root ball a little bit so that the plant knows, ooh, I'm in a new space, I could spread free. Apparently. Someone will yell at me in the comments if I don't. Okay. Now we're gonna just fill in around the tree. And I know I'm making a total mess, but this is kind of like a little bib, if you will. But I'm just trying to be quick. I'm not this much of a spaz all the time. You know, the video, gotta get to the point. You know when you watch a video and it's like, okay, come on. Could have fast forwarded that part. Okay. I don't want to get the cute wooden thing dirty, so I'm doing this. But I just want to give you guys a, you know, final result for satisfaction. Isn't it freaking adorable? Hopefully you can even see it. Let me just move it in a little bit. Oh, and it's gonna go on the front porch if I didn't say that. But there we have it. I'm sweating, gotta go, but it's cute, isn't it? There's some potting mix, DIY action, and some Dwarf Spruce, or Dwarf Alberta Spruce, if you haven't heard of them before. Great little tree. All right, adios for now. Okay, last little step for satisfaction. We got her up on the front porch. Now we're gonna just give her a little watering. I'm not gonna go crazy though, because I wanna put a new saucer in the bottom. But you know, just to help her settle in a bit. Isn't it freaking cute? I love it. We'll take one more overall look. Gorge, 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 gorge. Obsessed. Okay, that's all we got for now. Adios.